Hello, and welcome to the Storm Chasers. Today's headline takes us to Seattle, Washington, where mountain hounds erupted in Seattle. This tragedy began on May 18, 1980 at 5:32 p.m. Here's what happened. The magma pushed up through the volcano and shot out like a water gun. The volcano is fat and long, and also is huge. It took a while to explode. The event was likely caused by the 4,500-year-old volcano named Mount St. Helens. All the magma finally built up because it's 4,500 years old. Now they still face their homes destroyed. Sad.
On average, people were suffocating because the ashes are bad for you to breathe up into your lungs. This one is different because it was mostly ashes coming out of the volcano, not like smoke. In conclusion, this is the worst volcano eruption of the 1900s, but not in the world. Well, good try. Bye.
Bye.